Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to Ida SMK Takisung channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to say polite request and polite suggestion. It can be hard to know how to be polite in English. Unlike lots of other languages in the world, English doesn't have a formal structure built into the language that helps you to speak politely. You've actually got to learn what to say and how to say it. So, today's examples are going to focus on polite English expressions. Mungkin sulit untuk mengetahui bagaimana bersikap sopan dalam bahasa Inggris, tidak seperti banyak bahasa lain di dunia. Bahasa Inggris tidak memiliki struktur formal yang dibangun ke dalam bahasa yang membantu kamu berbicara dengan sopan. Kamu harus belajar apa yang harus dikatakan dan bagaimana mengatakannya. Contoh-contoh hari ini akan berfokus pada ekspresi bahasa Inggris yang sopan. Alright, let's get started the lesson. Let's talk about polite request atau permintaan yang sopan. The first, would you, or could you, or would you mind? You know how to ask someone to do something for you. Can you open the door? But how do you do it politely? How do you make a request politely? One way is to use modal verbs like could or would. That makes it more polite. Would you open the door for me? Could you open the door for me? Okay, but we can actually take this a step further and we can make this request even more polite by adding a little introductory phrase to the beginning. Would you mind blah blah blah. For example, would you mind opening the door? Tahukah kamu bagaimana cara meminta seseorang melakukan sesuatu untuk kita? Can you open the door? Bisakah kamu membukakan pintu itu? Tetapi bagaimana melakukannya dengan sopan? Bagaimana caranya agar permintaan itu terdengar sopan? Cara yang pertama adalah menggunakan modal verbs atau kata kerja dalam bentuk modal seperti could atau would sehingga membuat kalimat permintaan tersebut lebih sopan. For example, could you open the door for me? Would you open the door for me? Oke, sebenarnya kita bisa membuat request ini menjadi lebih sopan dengan menambahkan sedikit frasa pengantar di awal. For example, would you mind opening the door? Would you open the door for me? Maksudnya, maukah kamu membukakan pintu itu? Could you open the door for me? Bisakah kamu membantu saya membukakan pintu itu? Kemudian, would you mind opening the door? Apakah kamu tidak keberatan membantu saya membuka pintu itu? Jadi, expression terakhir, would you mind opening the door? Itu menggunakan kata kerja bentuk ing. Sedangkan would you dan could you menggunakan kata kerja pertama. Would you mind opening the door itu lebih sopan daripada kedua expression di atas. Would you open the door for me dan could you open the door for me. Let's continue to polite request number 2. If you get the chance, jika kamu punya kesempatan. For example, if you get the chance, could you send me that file? Jika kamu punya kesempatan, bisakah kamu kirimkan file itu? Polite request number 3. If it's okay with you, for example, if it's okay with you, could we sit here? Jika kamu tidak keberatan, bolehkah kami duduk di sini? Polite request number 4. When you have a minute. For example, When you have a minute, would you meet me at 5 p.m.? Jika kamu punya waktu, maukah kamu menemui saya pada jam 5 sore? Let's go on polite suggestion. Saran yang sopan. Yang pertama, number 1, how about blah blah blah. For example, how about we put this table at the corner over there? Bagaimana kalau kita letakkan meja ini di sudut sebelah sana? Polite suggestion number 2, what if blah blah blah. Bagaimana kalau? For example, what if we move it over here? Bagaimana kalau kita pindahkan ke sebelah sini? Polite suggestion number 3, why don't we blah blah blah? Bagaimana kalau kita? Why don't we take a break first? Bagaimana kalau kita istirahat dulu? The last expression about polite suggestion is what do you think about blah blah blah. For example, what do you think about practicing one more? Bagaimana kalau latihan satu kali lagi? This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the button, subscribe, like, and share if you like. And also give the comment. See you the next video. Bye.